Understanding the Condenser Coil, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the term condenser coil. This term is often used in technical and mechanical contexts, so understanding it can be very useful, especially for those interested in engineering or HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. A condenser coil is a key component in various mechanical and refrigeration systems. This coil is part of a device called a condenser, which is used to change the physical state of a substance from its gaseous to its liquid form, a process known as condensation. In simple terms, it's a series of tubes or coils through which a gas, like refrigerant in air conditioners, passes and releases heat, thereby cooling down and transforming into a liquid. Understanding the function of a condenser coil requires a basic grasp of thermodynamics. When a gas, such as a refrigerant, is compressed, it heats up. As this hot gas passes through the condenser coil, it loses its heat to the surrounding environment. This cooling process allows the gas to condense into a liquid. In air conditioning systems, for example, this process is crucial for cooling the air inside a building or a car. Condenser coils are commonly found in many everyday appliances and systems. The most familiar examples include air conditioners. They play a crucial role in the cooling mechanism. Refrigerators, used in the cooling system to keep the inside of the fridge cold. Heat pumps. Here, they are used in reverse during winter to extract heat from the outside air and bring it indoors. Understanding these applications helps in comprehending the practical importance of the term. The role of condenser coils extends beyond just cooling. They are essential in energy efficiency. Efficient coils contribute to lower energy consumption. Environmental impact. Proper functioning reduces the environmental footprint of cooling systems. Technical maintenance. Knowledge of condenser coils is crucial for those involved in HVAC maintenance and repair. And that's all about the condenser coil. We hope this video has helped you understand this important term and its applications in everyday life and industry. Keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful English language content. See you in the next video.